Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the 50 days study plan that we have come up for the recently released FCI recruitment 2021 for AGM General Administration. See friends, since the time the notification has been released, we have been receiving so many queries related to how to start, where to start, and how the subjects should be treated, how they have to be taken up. So friends, here this 50-day study plan will help you in your preparation strategy. And since we are expecting the exam to be somewhere around May 3rd week or 4th week, this 50-day study plan would be very much apt for your preparation. At the same time friends, we have also tried to give some insights or inputs related to other specialized disciplines as well along with the general administration posts. Friends, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as join our Telegram channel so as to receive the notifications related to the video sessions that we conduct on YouTube and the daily dose of free content that we upload on Telegram channel, to you for your preparation of exams. So friends, before getting into the 50-day study plan, let us understand the examination pattern of the exam or the post Assistant General Manager General Administration, wherein the number of questions that would be asked in the exam would be 150 and the duration of the exam is 2.5 hours, that is 150 minutes. And friends, the pattern of the online test, it consists of one paper, that is general aptitude, which is put into 4 sections. One, reasoning, data analysis, numerical ability, that is the quants and reasoning part, general awareness and current affairs, management and ethics, and agriculture economy, and computer awareness, all put together. Now each of these sections is going to carry 45 questions, each question 1 mark, so 45 marks for each of these sessions. And friends, I would like to throw some light on some important points here. See, there is no negative marking. So irrespective of you knowing the answer or not, please attempt all the questions. 2. There is no sectional cutoff as such. You have to score on a whole. So here for getting an interview call, you need to score more than 50% marks. Here 180 marks, so here more than 90 marks you need to score. And friends, one catch point here is 90% of the weightage is given to this test, only 10% weightage is given to the interview. So the more the number of marks you score here, the higher the chances you'll be getting to qualify in the final goal. And friends, with this all these, you can come up with one or two subjects which are of your core strength, and once you focus on your core strength, you will be able to score higher marks here. So friends, let's have a quick look at the examination pattern of the other specialized posts like technical, accounts, law, that is assistant general manager, technical, accounts, law, and medical officer. Here again the paper is of 180 marks and the time duration is 2.5 hours, that is 150 minutes. Now here the catch is, earlier it was only one paper, but here in specialized post there are two papers, one general aptitude and the other is on the relevant discipline, that is technical, accounts, or law, or medical. And here there are 60 questions in the relevant discipline, 2 marks each, so total would be 120 marks here. And when we come to general aptitude, the reasoning, data analysis and numerical ability, general awareness, current affairs, management and ethics, and agriculture economy, and computer awareness. But yes, the number of questions asked are 30 each for each of these sections, and the marks carried are only half mark each. So 15 marks for each of these section, that is 60 marks. So total put together is 180 marks here. So friends, let's start with the 50 days plan. First with the data analysis, numerical ability, and reasoning. See, data analysis and numerical ability you can put up in quants, and reasoning. So here in quants there are various topics, but based on the previous year paper, that is in 2015 this was last conducted, and based on that paper, ratio and proportion, percentage, profit and loss and discount, simple interest, compound interest, these are few of the important topics for which you can dedicate 2 days time. And after that again average, time and work, pipes and cistern, time and distance, trains, that is relative distance, etc., boats and streams, these are also few of the important topics, and for these also you can dedicate 2 days. Next comes is mixture and allegation, partnership, problem on ages, permit. Yes, here. So for these topics, these many questions were not asked from these topics. Yes, they are important, but not much important. So here you can dedicate 1 day for this. And next comes is permutation and combination, probability, series, mensuration, both 2D as well as 3D. For 2D, system like square, circle, triangle, etc. And 3D, cubes, cuboids, etc. The mensuration questions would be asked. And then data interpretation. Again, these are one of the important chapters based on the previous year analysis, questions analysis. So here again, you can dedicate 2 days time for this. Now moving on to the reasoning part, the alphabetical series, coding and decoding, analogy and odd one out, these are almost on a similar lines, but yes, one of the important questions, because many questions were asked from these topics, so again you can dedicate 2 days for this. Next comes is mathematical operations series, counting figures, again one of the important topics, you can dedicate 2 days for this. Next comes is calendar, syllogism, direction sense. No, not much questions were asked from this, but yes, it is not much important, but okay, you have to go through that. You can dedicate 1 day to this. Next comes is ranking and order, blood relations, seating arrangement. Again, these are very important as many questions were asked exclusively on sitting arrangement, puzzles, etc. So again, 2 days you can dedicate for this. So friends, for each of these topics, you can start preparing at least 40 to 50 questions, so that ample practice you can do, and then you can be able to solve the paper as at the earliest, because there are 120 questions but time 180 questions, but yes, time is 150 minutes only. So the more you practice, the more it will be easy for you to crack the exam. And here we have provided some 14 days for quants and reasoning. With such practice, it should be easy for you to do that in the minimum time possible. Friends, next comes is another section, that is another important scoring section, you can say, management and ethics. Now these are the various topics that we have enumerated, and then the number of days that you can dedicate to each of these topics. General management, that we have put as part of our course in 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can dedicate 2 days to this. No, in part 1 and 2 of general management, we have provided evolution of management, the history and the planning function of the management. See, there are so many functions of management, of which planning would you can go through that on day 1, and on day 2 you can start with the other functions of management like organizing, directing, staffing and controlling functions of management. Now for this 2 days would be sufficient. Next comes is motivation. This again is put in 2 parts. See, there are so many motivation theories that are in place, like Maslow's theory, Herzberg's theory, Alderfer's theory, Room's expectancy theory, Adams' equity theory. Now for all these actually you can dedicate at least 2 days time. Within 2 days you should be able to cover all these topics. Now moving on to our next topic under management and ethics, it is leadership. Again, this is covered under part 1 and 2. For this, a day would be sufficient, wherein you shall be going through what are the various styles of leadership and various theories of leadership. Next comes is communication, the types and models and various other aspects or concepts associated with it. 1 day you can dedicate to it. Next comes is the HRD, which again has been covered, that is human resources development, in 3 parts. Now here you shall study about the functions of HRD: training and development, career planning, performance management, and performance appraisal. For this, a day would be sufficient. Next, moving on to ethics, which is one of the important topics for this exam. Theories of ethics, importance of ethics in business organizations. These are the various topics under the main head ethics, and there are various other concepts associated with, but you can cover that or you can dedicate one day to it. Now friends, there are some miscellaneous topics, if there is time, and you can go through that in another 2 days. Otherwise, you can just give it a glance. At least these are the topics, because 1 or 2 questions were asked on these topics in the previous, as per the previous year exam analysis, like personality, perception, conflict, organizational change, emotional intelligence, and corporate governance. So friends, on the whole, 8 days for management and ethics should be sufficient. And friends, please focus on this subject, because this is highly scoring, unlike reasoning and quants, which is time consuming. Here, if you are perfect with all the topics that I have enumerated here, it would be very high scoring subject. So friends, next comes is general awareness and current affairs, which can be again put under current affairs as such, and static GK. Now friends, under current affairs, government schemes and programs, you can dedicate 2 days for your preparation. After that, moving on to our next topic, that is important committees, commissions that are set up by the government. For that, you can dedicate 2 days. Next comes is banking and finance news, one day. And for the rest of the topics that I have enumerated here, like awards or honors, appointments of persons in news, sports, defense exercises, summits, national news, space and science, technology related news, days and their themes, for all these you can dedicate 5 to 6 days. And friends, while doing these current affairs, you can do the static GA as well simultaneously. Like when you are doing the banking and finance news, you can go through the basic banking terms. While you are doing the summits, conferences, meets, etc., you can cover most of the international organizations. And while you are doing appointments, awards or honors, or some sports, etc., you can cover the important personalities, the static part. And then while doing the sports news, you can cover the sports and related trophies and cups news. So this way, by balancing the current affairs and static GK, you will be able to cover most of the topics in how many days? As you can see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to 11 days. So friends, for agriculture and agriculture economy, you can dedicate some 9 to 10 days of, of the total 50-day study plan, which we are going through. So friends, see, since this is an administrative post, the questions that might be asked from agriculture and agriculture economy should be basics. So first topic that we are going to do is introduction to agriculture, which is one basics, and rural economy, that again is basics of rural development. Then these two can be covered in one day, that is you can dedicate one day for this. Next comes is introduction to agronomy. Again, the field crops, what are the various field crops, what are the various classifications of field crops. All these you can do it in one day, that is you can dedicate one day for this. Next comes is soil science, the formation of soils and various other concepts, soil erosion and classification of soils, or what are the various types of soils that are present in India. All these, and along with that, plant mineral nutrition. Now this you can do in one day, or sometimes you can take 2 days as well. That's the reason I have given you 9 to 10 days here. Next comes is introduction to horticulture. This again, the what is horticulture, what are the various uh, branches of horticulture, and what are the various concepts associated with it. This will take one day. And friends, moving on to our next topics, that is the basics of plant pathology and entomology and agriculture economics. This you should dedicate, or you can dedicate 3 days of your time for preparation, because these are one of the important topics and completely or mostly associate with what FCA does, like the storage of grains and what are the various pests that attack those stored grains, etc., under the plant entomology, and agriculture economics, what are the various markets and how they work, all those in agriculture economics. So these are the two important topics for which you should dedicate at least 3 days. Next comes is agriculture characteristics and status. So here friends, you need to understand what are the various production, productivity, where India stands vis-a-vis world's status, and then what are the various other current affairs of agriculture, like MSPs release, what are the various MSPs, what are the various procurement that is happening in India, like procurement of paddy and procurement of wheat by FCA, and various other statistical data related to agriculture. So here you should dedicate at least 2 days time. So friends, on the whole, 9 to 10 days should be sufficient for agriculture and agriculture economy. And along with this, we also have one more topic here, that is computer awareness. For this, 2 to 3 days should be sufficient, which again are basics based on the previous year analysis. And friends, one more important point here I forgot to mention. See, the previous year paper, the exam which was conducted in 2015, the pattern was different. The agriculture and agriculture economy subject was not there at that time. For rest of the subjects, you have an idea how to go ahead, but this is the only one you need to try to understand at least the basics, because this is new, and again based on the post it should be the basics only. And friends, so total at least 42 to 43 days, or even 44 days if you want to focus on one or two subjects more, then it should be 44 days, not more than that. And after that friends, you are left with 6 days. These 6 days, try to focus on those subjects and on those topics which you felt tough when you were preparing for, as part of this 50-day study plan. So this should really help you in your preparation of the exam, and this will surely help you in understanding your weak points and your strong, that is core areas, wherein you can take help of them in scoring higher marks in this exam. So friends, how EduTap is going to help you here in your preparation? See friends, we have already launched a full video master course for FCI 2021 exclusively for AGM administrative post, for which we are going to provide you with chapter wise videos and MCQs wherever applicable, and then quizzes, etc., for all the subjects that we have already mentioned, and then monthly magazines and quizzes for general awareness as well. So friends, currently we are running a discount of 15%, so for which the code is FCI15. You can use that and avail this discount. And friends, if you still have any doubts, you can always reach us at hello@edutap.co.in. You can mail us, or you can always contact us at 8146207241. That is our number. So friends, thank you very much, and I wish you very all the best.